Let's see how to change page margins in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to change page margins, it is pretty simple. Simply head on over to the Layout tab, and you'll see in the page setup right here that you have the option to change the page margins, the page orientation, the size of the page, and if you want to divide your text into different columns. So to change our page margin, let's click on Margins, the first one, and you'll see already preset margins. You have the normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, and the default one from Office 2003. And if you want, you can also create your very own custom margins right here, where you can set a margin for the top part, the left, the right, and the bottom part of your paper. And if you're satisfied with the margins that you've set, simply click on OK to apply those margins, and that should apply those margins in your document. And that is how you can change page margins in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.